Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these wintry sweater design nails. So for this look, I did sculpt out a fresh set of nails, and so I used my Young Nails build gel on most of the nails, and then the nails that I wanted to do the glitter fade on, I did use the Young Nails concealer pink, and so this one is going to give it that like nude pinky for the background. So here is what the freshly sculpted nails look like, and so I did that concealer pink on my ring finger and my thumb. And the first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's Dreaming of Dubai. This one is from their Winter 2019 collection. This one is a super pretty chunky gold holographic glitter, and we're going to use this on the ring finger and the thumb to create that glitter fade. So what you're going to want to do is concentrate the glitter on the tips, and then I wiped off all the excess off my brush, and then I kind of just faded it up the nail. And the next color we're going to use is Meandering in Moscow. This one again from their winter collection. This one is a super pretty deep purple. Like in the container it looks almost black but has that purple hint to it. This is one of my favorites from the collection. I'm so happy I'm finally using it. And so we're going to paint this on my pointer finger and my pinky finger. And next we're going to be using Perfect White from Madame Glam. This is my favorite white that I have. I'm going to paint this on my middle finger. And now I'm just going back in and I'm doing a second coat on all of the colored nails. So once that is fully cured, we're going to go in and add a few crystals. So I am using the Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. And using a dotting tool, I'm just applying some of this gel where I want the crystals on my pinky finger. And then the Swarovski crystals I'm going to be using is Jonquil AB. And I will be using my crystal katana to apply the crystals. So now we're going to go in and top coat all of the nails. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here I'm just surrounding the crystals with that top coat. So here is what the nails look like, and now we're going to go on to do the sweater design. So I will be using 2 different striping brushes. One is a long one that I had cut up, it's a random brand, and then the other one I'm going to use is Robin Moses Wand. So I'm taking that Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I'm going in on top of the top coated nail, and I'm creating this sweater design that I want. So I went ahead and I cured that, and now I'm going back in and doing a second coat on top, just so that way it's a little bit more raised. And I know it's a little hard to see because it is white on white. So now, before you cure this second layer, you're going to take some acrylic powder. This one I had lying around, it's C&D's white acrylic powder. And I am just sprinkling it on top. And so normally if you had used like a color, you could use the clear acrylic, but since I was doing white and I had this white acrylic, I figured might as well use it. So once you have the acrylic powder already sprinkled on, you're going to give that a full cure, and once that is cured, you can take a brush and dust off the excess powder. And then that is the design. So you could go ahead and put a top coat layer on top of this, but that would kind of defeat the purpose. It's supposed to give it more of a 3D like matte look. But these nails are really simple, easy to do. I actually did a matching set this time on both my hands, so that's how much I liked them, and I love these colors from Light Elegance. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!